Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. You want more information about how to use service dogs in public schools? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to use service dogs in public schools is www.irs.gov. Specifically the page titled Publication 946, 2013, How to Depreciate Property. Here's the link. You can also try www.hsbh.harvard.edu, especially the page Healthy Weight, the nutrition source Harvard School of. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.hsbh.harvard.edu. The web page How to Get to Your Healthy Weight, the nutrition source. This is the link.